I'm walking from my house over to the cottage house because I want to show you a couple things I've done since my last video, mainly the wallpaper, and we're going to look at that room and figure out, is it a laundry room or can it be a bedroom, and why it might not work, even though I think it was a fantastic idea to turn it into a bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage that is actually the original house on the land that we purchased, and we love the idea of having a place for our parents. But in the meantime, my sister and her family are moving in here. In the past few days, I put up this really cute peel and stick, kind of retro looking wallpaper. The kitchen just needed something. All right, so I'm just, okay. There we go. All done. I love this wallpaper. I think it's so cute, and it just kind of finished the space. I don't know, I had painted the kitchen walls, but it just felt a little blah, and I really want my sister to feel comfortable and in love with this space. This was of top priority. I had a lot of things I needed to do this week, but getting that wallpaper on seemed like it had to happen. Which French doors just elevate everything so much nicer than those old sliding glass. This is a cute little patio off of what is the bedroom right now. But again, in my last video, I think I told you that what we're thinking of doing right now is, what I've talked with my sister, is splitting up and making it more of kind of like the toddler's room / living room area. And this room right here is the next room that's in question on what we should do with it. We did get a new light put in. Oh my gosh, this new light gives this space so much more light. I just found this at, did I find that? I think I found this one at Home Depot or Lowe's. Super cute, wasn't expensive. Okay, still a hot mess in here. My floor pots did come. Remember, these are in I put these in the little tiny bathroom, and they are peel and stick, but I've had a good result with them. And of course, I would like to do real tile, and eventually might be, but this is just a great inexpensive little fix for this ugly eyesore of a floor. So I'm gonna try to get these in here before they move in. And I think maybe we'll paint these things. I don't know, but right now, we're pretty set on this being the laundry room and making this really, really functional storage just to get the most out of the space. A lot of you suggested on the last video that this should be turned into the baby's room, which I had that very same thought, but here is the main problem of why that won't work, is this room does not have central heating and air. So for instance, right now it's much warmer in this room than the other room. Now, could you get something in here to make it hot and cold? Sure. My sister also said she really wants space for the laundry room and a larger closet. So this is all gonna become, we've got a plan to get the some PAX things from IKEA to make just a nice big storage area for them. So I think right now the plan is to keep this as a laundry room / closet / make a cute little vanity area. They're moving in like 2 weeks. I feel like I have a lot left to do, especially just in the summertime. I get so much less done because I have my kids. You know, my kids aren't at school, and I'm basically just shuttling them to and fro every single place. But that's kind of the updates that's happening around the cottage. And I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the main house very soon. I've been working on a video of that. So I'll catch you next time. Bye.